Welcome back to News on Face. You're watching today's top news of the day. In today's top news, we are going to discuss about Parliament storm continues. NDA versus INDIA block on electoral reforms and Vande Mataram debate. So let's discuss about this news today. On Tuesday, both houses of parliament witnessed heated exchanges as the NDA and the INDIA bloc clashed over electoral reforms and the special revision of a voter list. The winter season, which have begun on December 1st, saw intense arguments that are likely to continue on Wednesday too. In Lok Sabha, leaders from the both sides traded sharp remarks on the issue of electoral reforms. The government accused Congress of blaming others for its repeated election losses. The opposition once again alleged the vote theft and said the ruling party was controlling election systems. The discussions will continue on Monday also, with both NDA and INDIA bloc expected to resume their clash on the same topic. Leader of the opposition Rahul Gandhi launched an attack on the BJP. He said that the biggest anti-national act is vote theft. When you destroy the vote, you destroy the idea of the India. He claimed that Election Commission is working under NDA pressure. Voter lists should be given to all the parties in machine readable format before elections. CCTV footages of polling should not be destroyed within 45 days. Immunity for election commissioner should be scrapped. Rahul Gandhi urged that elections must be transparent if democracy has to survive. Well, Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav also demanded fairness. He said that for true reforms, the election commission must be impartial. A larger election panel should choose the chief election commissioner and other commissioners. So, government response about Sir needed for clean voter list. Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal countered the opposition. Since 1952, voter list revisions have happened many times. Margination and urban growth require regular voter list updates. It is necessary to remove duplicate and invalid entries. He stated the process is not political but essential for clean and accurate electoral rolls. In the upper house, the debate shifted to Vande Mataram marking its 150th anniversary. Home Minister Amit Shah rejected claims that the discussion was linked to the upcoming West Bengal elections. He said that though written in Bengal by Bankim Chandra, Vande Mataram became the voice of India's freedom struggle. It united the nations beyond regions, languages and religions. Amit Shah also attacked Congress, saying that two stanzas were removed earlier due to appeasement politics. That decision contributed to division of the country. If Congress had not divided Vande Mataram, the country might not have been divided, said by Amit Shah. So the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge supported Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who earlier questioned the need for this debate. Kharge said that the ruling party is using Vande Mataram discussion to distract from unemployment, price rise and other national issues. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Amit Shah never miss a chance to insult Jawaharlal Nehru and other Congress icons. Priyanka Gandhi previously stated that debating why only two stanzas were adopted in an insult to freedom fighters who finalized the version during constitution making. So next in Parliament, Lok Sabha will continue its debate on electoral reforms on Wednesday. Rajya Sabha will continue the Vande Mataram anniversary discussions. The winter session is expected to remain stormy with both alliances preparing for the more confrontation. So that's all for today's update. Keep watching News on Face for more news updates. Thank you.